This is part 2 of me making slime. And as you saw, I was making slime with this and this. If you didn't see it yet, please go watch that video. This is part 2, which is right now it's in the window. As you can see, it's dark outside. And look, that's it right there. Everybody's asleep but me. I don't know why. I'll be right back. So here it is. It's not ready yet. I don't know if it is yet. It depends. So right now I'm mixing it. Okay. So look. So as you can see, it's really good. I mean, super good. Wow. But as I said in the first video, what is it? I said that it will really last really long. It actually wouldn't. I tried it. It really, oh no, bad, so bad, so. So as you see, I'm playing with it. No stick. Told you. Best slime in the world. Well, not in the world because I wish it was like lastable. But you could stretch it and all that. Super cool. So now it's starting to get a little bit watery, but then it's not. It starts to do that. I always just put one squirt. But this totally, might be my last slime video. I might just be doing daily vlogs and pranks now. Because it's like, after all these attempts, I'm not giving up. I'm just really tired. So I will probably start again. But for now, I am officially, this is my last slime prank. Last slime DIY, whatever. Yes, I care. I didn't mean to say whatever, like, I don't care.